Hello everyone, welcome to Meticulous Business Plans. The life of entrepreneurs is full of highs and lows, which shows them either the best days of their lives or the worst. Entrepreneurs should look towards everything as a part of learning procedure. Let us tell you about how to handle highs and lows as an entrepreneur, based on various parameters, different cases and types of situations. Best versus worst decision. Decisions regarding your business might or might not be favorable, but it always gives you a lesson. As an entrepreneur, you should analyze each decision you make regarding your business on a daily basis. STAR technique helps you to understand decisions by examining the situation, task, action, and results. With more understanding on past actions, your present, and your future actions, your perception towards the problem can change for better. And always remember that experience is the greatest teacher in the world. Success versus failure mindset. Your mindset defines your personality, and your personality defines your relationship with employees and other stakeholders. So, having a mindset of success with an optimistic approach benefits an entrepreneur even in difficult times. There is a powerful proverb in Japanese, Nana Korobi Yaoki, which means fall 7 times, stand up 8. Though you get knocked down several times in your life, you need to stand up one more time. To raise again and again is in our blood. It's our tendency. It's a natural thing, we are born with it. So keep aside your failures, put it in a box, learn from it, and strive for success. Beat by beat, step by step, and day by day. Zestful versus drowsy work. Every day at work is a new experience. On some days, you are full of energy and zestful, while other you feel tired and drowsy. To maintain your zestfulness throughout the day at work, you have to keep your body and mind fit by regularly exercising and meditation. Also, it is important to take breaks from your work because, as it says, a rubber band breaks after stretching over its limit. Same goes with body and mind. So take a break, just get relaxed with your loved ones, do the things you like to do apart from your work, and return to your work with new energy and enthusiasm, which will definitely reflect through your work. Impatience versus patience. Entrepreneurship is a game of patience. It takes time, efforts, and you get tested in every possible way. We know that seed takes years to grow into a big tree, and it is the rule of nature that everything needs time to grow bigger and considerable. Remember that no one becomes a star overnight. It takes years of hard work and struggle. As an entrepreneur, one must be patient enough because you have to run a marathon and not a 100-meter race. With patience in your behavior, your work and actions will be performed as you wish and as you plan. Self-learning versus coaching. Self-learning is one of the most important skills that an entrepreneur should have, but few things are hard to learn and we get demotivated and create self-doubt. So to tackle these kind of situations, it is necessary to get guidance and coaching from experienced persons or industry experts. This will help you to learn the core concepts quickly and easily. Standalone versus team. Even though as an entrepreneur, you have all the capabilities to do types of work from handling daily operations to marketing and sales, it's always better to have a team so you can focus on more important tasks such as decision making and trust your team to handle the rest. While handling a company, having more minds at work with different skills, opinions, thoughts can help you learn about new ideas and better solutions than usual. And as I said, doing a business is a marathon, so you need companions on your journey of 1,000 miles. So, build your team for tomorrow's future. So if you want to know more about startups, then get in touch with us. Meticulous Business Plans. Our contact details are provided in the description below. Subscribe to our channel to know more about market research and opportunity analysis, business feasibility, business modeling, detailed project reports, investment pitch, and much more. Press the bell icon and never miss any update. Thank you.